You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 163 over 42 smaller than 337 over 42. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 168 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 42. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 163 over 42 smaller than 337 over 42.